Hi everyone, my name is Angelina. I'm from DDT 1A.
Hi everyone, my name is Kalemani. I'm from DDT 1A.
So today we're gonna talk about cryptography. So let's see what is cryptography. Cryptography is the art and sometimes science of secret writing. It is also scrambling information so it can be read, and it transforms information into secure form so unauthorized persons cannot access it. Cryptographers create ciphers, which is we call as cryptography, and cryptanalyze break ciphers, which called cryptanalysis. So next, let's we see cryptography and security. Cryptography can provide five basic protection, which is confidentiality. It ensures only authorized parties can view it. Second, integrity. It ensures information is correct and unaltered. Third is authentication, which ensures sender can be verified through cryptography. Fourth is not repudiation, which is proves that a user performance and action. Fifth is obfuscation, which making something obscure and unclear. What is substitution cipher? The substitution cipher is a cipher that has been used for many hundred years. The substitution cipher offers very little communication security, and it will be shown that it can be easily broken even by hand, especially as the messages become longer, more than several hundred ciphertext characters. Next, we will see example substitution cipher.
Example of substitution cipher. So what is example of substitution cipher? The alphabet convert to numbers. So that's called description convert to inscription. So this is example of substitution cipher. So example we got A, B, C, D until Z. So the A for convert to the first letter convert to the first number. So example, first letter convert to first number. So A convert to 1, B convert to 2, C convert to 3. So until Z. So the last alphabet is Z, convert to number. The number is 26. So example of result, it's called inscription. So inscription is security. So we see example, this is security. So S. So S, how we get the 19? So we see here 19 is the alphabet S. So this is the S. So we see the convert number, it's 19. So this is called example results of inscription. So the description convert to inscription. So next page. So example substitution cipher. So I'm searching this paragraph from Google. So this is the description, the paragraph. After result inscription, the results of inscription. So we can see the number. So next page. So I searched 3 paragraph. So that one first paragraph, this second paragraph. So after that, third paragraph. So we can convert the alphabet to numbers. It's called description convert to inscription. That's all from us. So thank you so much.